In the depths of the Mediterranean Sea, off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera, lies a secret that has been hidden for over 2000 years. A secret that has sparked the imagination of scholars, historians, and scientists alike. It is a mystery that has been shrouded in darkness, waiting to be unraveled. This is the story of the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient device that has been dubbed the world's first computer. A machine so sophisticated, so advanced, that it has left experts stunned and bewildered. As we delve into the world of this ancient marvel, we will uncover the secrets that lie within and explore the implications of its discovery. It was the year 1900, and a group of Greek divers stumbled upon an ancient shipwreck off the coast of Antikythera. As they explored the wreck, they discovered a multitude of artifacts, including statues, coins, and other treasures. But among the treasures, one object stood out: a corroded, bronze device that would change the course of history. The device, later named the Antikythera mechanism, was initially thought to be an astrolabe, a tool used for navigation. However, as scholars began to study it, they realized that it was something much more complex. It was a machine that could calculate astronomical positions, predict eclipses, and even track the timing of the Olympic Games. The discovery of the Antikythera mechanism sent shockwaves throughout the academic community, as it challenged our understanding of ancient Greek technology and innovation. As scholars began to study the Antikythera mechanism, they were met with a series of challenges. The device was corroded, and many of its parts were missing or damaged. However, using advanced imaging techniques, such as X-ray computed tomography, researchers were able to reconstruct the device and unlock its secrets. The mechanism consists of over 30 gears, each with a specific function. It is a masterpiece of ancient engineering, with a level of complexity that is unmatched in the ancient world. The device is capable of tracking the movements of the sun, moon, and planets, and can even predict the timing of solar and lunar eclipses. As we explore the inner workings of the Antikythera mechanism, we begin to appreciate the ingenuity and sophistication of its creators. One of the most striking features of the Antikythera mechanism is its astronomical accuracy. The device is capable of tracking the movements of the celestial bodies with a level of precision that is unmatched in the ancient world. The mechanism can predict the timing of eclipses, the phases of the moon, and even the timing of the Olympic Games. The level of accuracy is so high that it has led some scholars to suggest that the ancient Greeks may have had a more sophisticated understanding of astronomy than previously thought. The Antikythera mechanism challenges our assumptions about the development of astronomy and mathematics in the ancient world, and raises questions about the transmission of knowledge across cultures. The Antikythera mechanism is not just a remarkable device, but also a testament to the mathematical genius of its creators. The device uses a combination of arithmetic and geometric methods to calculate astronomical positions and predict celestial events. The mechanism is based on a complex system of gears, each with a specific ratio and function. The level of mathematical sophistication is so high that it has led some scholars to suggest that the ancient Greeks may have had a more advanced understanding of mathematics than previously thought. The Antikythera mechanism is a window into the mathematical world of ancient Greece, and provides a unique insight into the development of mathematical concepts and techniques. Despite the many advances that have been made in understanding the Antikythera mechanism, one question remains unanswered: who created this remarkable device? The mechanism is attributed to the ancient Greeks, but the exact identity of its creators remains a mystery. Some scholars have suggested that the device may have been created by a group of mathematicians and astronomers who were associated with the Stoic school of philosophy. Others have suggested that the device may have been created by a single individual, a genius who was ahead of his time. As we explore the world of the Antikythera mechanism, we are reminded of the ingenuity and creativity of the human spirit, and the boundless potential of human innovation. The Antikythera mechanism is more than just an ancient device. It is a window into the past, a reminder of the ingenuity and sophistication of ancient civilizations. The device has inspired generations of scientists, mathematicians, and engineers, and has challenged our assumptions about the development of technology and innovation. The Antikythera mechanism has also raised questions about the transmission of knowledge across cultures and the role of ancient civilizations in shaping our modern world. As we reflect on the legacy of the Antikythera mechanism, we are reminded of the power of human curiosity and ingenuity, and the boundless potential of human innovation. As we look to the future, the Antikythera mechanism remains an enigma, a reminder of the secrets that lie hidden in the ancient world. The device continues to inspire new generations of scholars, scientists, and engineers, and its legacy will continue to shape our understanding of the ancient world. As we continue to unravel the secrets of the Antikythera mechanism, we are reminded of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage and the need to continue exploring and learning from the past. The Antikythera mechanism is a testament to the power of human innovation and a reminder that even the most complex and sophisticated technologies can be understood and appreciated by future generations. In conclusion, the Antikythera mechanism is a remarkable device that has challenged our assumptions about the ancient world and its technologies. The device is a testament to the ingenuity and sophistication of ancient civilizations and a reminder of the boundless potential of human innovation. As we continue to unravel the secrets of the Antikythera mechanism, we are reminded of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage and the need to continue exploring and learning from the past. The Antikythera mechanism is a window into the ancient world, a reminder of the secrets that lie hidden, waiting to be uncovered. As we close this chapter on the Antikythera mechanism, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder at the ingenuity and creativity of the human spirit.